In my clinic, I see patients every week in their 50s with a growing fear. They tell me they feel like their brain is failing them. One patient recently shared how she walked into her kitchen 3 times and forgot why she was there. People often assume this is a glitch in their neural wiring or an isolated problem. But in my clinical experience, these moments are often the first signs of a deeper physiological shift. Research suggests that cognitive decline isn't just an inevitability of aging. It is a process we can influence. Many of my patients find that understanding the cause reduces their anxiety. We're not just talking about memory. We're talking about the very infrastructure of your mind and how it survives. Think of your brain as a bustling metropolis that never sleeps. It demands a constant and massive supply of oxygen and nutrients to function. Your blood vessels are the superhighways that deliver these critical resources. In my experience, healthy arteries are flexible and clear. However, as we age, oxidative stress can narrow these paths. When blood flow slows down, the city begins to dim. This biological bottleneck is often where the first signs of cognitive struggle actually begin. Repairing those neural highways starts in a place you might not expect. The evidence points toward the gut. Wild blueberries contain high concentrations of compounds called endosyanines. These molecules give the fruit its deep blue color. Here is the critical step that most people miss. You do not absorb these compounds directly into your bloodstream. Instead, your gut microbes break them down into smaller metabolites. These smaller pieces are what actually enter your circulation. Studies suggest these metabolites act like a precision crew for your blood vessels. They signal the arterial walls to relax and widen. This process is known as flow-mediated dilation. When your vessels dilate, more oxygenated blood reaches the hippocampus. This is the area of the brain responsible for forming new memories and learning complex tasks every single day.
If you're enjoying this, subscribe.
This isn't just theory because we have rigorous clinical data to support it. A landmark 2023 trial from King's College London provides incredible insight. This was known as the Blue Flow Study. Researchers monitored a group of 61 healthy adults between the ages of 65 and 80. For 12 weeks, half the group consumed a wild blueberry drink while the other half took a placebo. The results were measurable and significant. The blueberry group showed a double-digit increase in their memory task scores. They also demonstrated faster reaction times and improved attention spans. Perhaps most importantly, their blood pressure dropped significantly over the 3-month period. The study used gold standard testing to confirm that brain performance improved because vascular health improved first. This indicates that what is good for the heart is almost always good for the head. The data suggests that consistent intake creates a compounding effect on your cognitive resilience over time. For educational purposes, let us look at the specific amounts used in these successful trials. The Blue Flow study utilized 26 grams of freeze-dried wild blueberry powder. In my experience, this is roughly equivalent to 1 generous cup of whole frozen wild blueberries. Many of my patients find that consistency is more important than the specific timing. It is not a one-time fix, but a daily support for your vascular system. It is also worth noting that wild blueberries often contain higher concentrations of endosyanines than larger cultivated varieties. You can easily add these to a morning smoothie or a bowl of oats. Always consult your physician before making significant changes to your diet or starting new supplements. This information is intended to help you have a more informed conversation with your healthcare provider. Your brain health is a direct reflection of your daily choices. Protect your circulation to protect your mind. A sharper future begins with what you put on your plate today.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to Dr. Sanchez LM and hit that notification bell. Together, we make health